Rev up your engines! I've been fixing cars for over 50 years, and today, I'm going to show you how to deal with a Mazda CX-5 backup camera that's acting up. These fancy cameras can be a real pain in the rear, but don't worry. I've got the scoop on what's causing your problems and how to fix them. First off, let's talk about the common issues. You might be dealing with wiring problems, software glitches, or just a dirty lens. It's not rocket science, folks. Now before you go wasting your money at the dealership, try these simple fixes. Check your connections, reset the system by disconnecting the battery for a few minutes, and give that camera lens a good cleaning. You'd be surprised how often that does the trick. But hey, if you've tried all that and your camera's still acting up, it might be time to call in the big guns. Don't be a moron and start ripping apart your car if you don't know what you're doing. Sometimes you need a professional to diagnose and fix the problem. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to ring that bell and stay tuned for more car repair wisdom.